Baldi's Basics and... Oh, God. Let's get it.
Ready or not, here I come.
Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
Hey, go. Are you skipping a class? I'm going to find you.
I know I am.
I think I should distract Baldi from the grab this out of my bag.
Feast your eyes while I think. Watch out! Oh, it's never here.
Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
I think I should distract Baldi from the player since I'm the friend.
Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
Skipping a class? Going to find you.
Over here.
Hey, Baldi.
Over here.
リーズアップがこれを見つけさせないでくれ。
Holding prohibited
Hey,
items.
Baldi and Laura, over here. Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
Distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend. I think I should distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend.
Hey, Baldi. Over here.
I think I should distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend. I think I should distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend.
I hunt people for all eternity. I hunt people for all eternity.
Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
Baldi. Over here.
アイスをごちそうするから。
Distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend.
Hey, go. Are you skipping a class?
I'll take
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
Welcome to...
I think I should distract Baldy from the player since
I
I'm the
wonder
friend.
who is following the rules. I know I am.
Hey, Baldy and Laura,
Just
over
reminding
here.
you to finish class map to see
Over
where my
here.
class is. 2.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
頭を叩いて指輪を鳴らします。
Welcome to Ball. Oh, ah.
Ready or not, here I come.
Just reminding you to finish class map to see where my class is. 4.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
ごちそうの手、見えない。
Hey, Baldi.
Minutes left.
Welcome to your ready or not, here I come.
Hey, Baldi.
Just so you know, you can
Hey, Baldi. Over here.
Oh, you can run into me and go to the bunker. Just so you know, you go to the bunker. Just so you know, you can safety.
Hey, Baldi. Over here. Hey, Baldi. Over here.
Just so you know, you run into me and go to the bunker.
Hey, Baldi. Over here.
The bunker. Just so you know,
Hey, Baldi. Hey, Baldi. Over here. Hey, Baldi. Over here. Hey, Baldi. Over here.
just so you know, you go to the bunker.
Hey, Baldy and Laura.
Hey, Baldy. Just so you know, you can learn to make over here.
From the way. From the way.
Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Hey, Baldy and Laura. Over here.
Welcome to Baldi's.
Just reminding
No
you to
drinking
finish
drinks in
class
the halls.
map to see where my class
15
is.
seconds.
3.
Detention for you. When will you learn?
Play hide and seek.
I think I should distract Baldy from the players since I am their friend.
Please.
Hey, Baldy. I am over here.
Reminding you to finish class map.
Just so you
You're
know.
screaming in class? I'm going to find you.
Hey, Baldy and Laura. Over here.
Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Seems like you have a special
Creeper. Oh man. So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side. This task a grueling one, hope to find some diamonds tonight, diamonds tonight. Heads up, you hear a sound, turn around and look up. Total shock fills your body. Oh no, it's you again. I can never forget those eyes. 'Cause baby tonight.
No running in the halls. 15 seconds. Detention for you.
Distract Baldy from
Your
the players
parents will
since
hear
I am
about
their
this
friend.
one.
ごちそうのせ
I hunt people for all eternity, and here I
You
come.
can run, but you won't hide.
No running in the halls.
Bad.
30 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Hey Baldy, I got something for you. Hopefully this makes you happy.
Go. You're screaming in class? I'm going to find you.
Just
Hey,
reminding
Baldy
you
and
to
Laura,
finish
over
class
here.
map to see where my class is. 2.
I see you, and here I come.
I wonder who is following the rules. I know I am.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here. Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here. Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
It seems like you have a special delivery. Have a good day.
I see you. Friend, I have lost you. I believe that.
Over here.
Hey look, an apple. Let's grab this out of my bag. Hey Baldy, I got something for you. Hopefully this matches.
Creeper. Oh man. So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side. This task a grueling one, hope to find
Just
some
so you know.
diamonds tonight, night,
Hey,
night,
Baldy and Laura,
diamonds
over here.
tonight. Heads up, you hear a sound, turn around and look up. Total shock fills your body. Oh no, it's you again. I can never forget those eyes, 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 eyes. 'Cause baby tonight, the creeper's trying to steal our stuff again. 'Cause baby tonight, grab your big shovel and fall again, and run, the sun, until the sun comes up in the morning. Creepers trying to steal our stuff again. Just when you think you're safe, overhear some hissing from right behind, right behind. That's a nice life you have, shame it's gotta end at this time. Blows up, then you help our Johnson, you could use a one-up. Get inside, don't be tardy. So now you're stuck in bed, the heart is left, but don't die. 'Cause baby tonight, Cause baby tonight, grab your big shovel and run, until the sun comes on. 'Cause baby tonight, the creepers trying to steal our stuff again.
Welcome. Ready or not, here I come.
Just reminding you to check class map to see where my class is.
Sudah no, marica.
One minute left. Zero minutes left. Time's up.
No drinking drinks in the halls. 15 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. What? Ready or not, here I come.
Just reminding you to finish class math to see where my class is. 3. Class dismissed.
Just so you know, you can burn the vehicle.
I think I should distract
Escaping in class? I'm going to find you.
Ready or not, here I come.
Hey Baldi. Over here. Hey Baldi. Over here.
I'm out of patience.
I am coming with you.
Hey, Baldi and Laura,
come.
over here.
an apple. Let's grab this out of my bag.
Hey, Baldi and Laura, over here.
I got something.
Hey Baldi.
Hopefully this
Over
makes
here.
you happy.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Here we go. Have a good day.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
3 minutes left.
The bunker.
I am coming, ready or go, here I come.
Welcome to Baldy's basement. Oh, hi. Let's play.
Ready or not, here I come.
I wonder who is following the rules. I know I am.
Just reminding you to be in my class.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
2. Just in time. Class dismissed.
You're in class? I'm going to find
It's
you.
on the way.
私はあなたのために氷を持っています。
Hey look, an apple. Let's try this one. I think I should distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend.
Can I take your
I hope you enjoy and have a good day.
はい。じゃあ。
I think I should distract Baldi from the player since I am their friend.
誰かがクールなものを見たいですか？
Give me something great for the generous donation.
Ready or no, here I come. Will you marry me?
Hey, Baldy.
Or
Over here.
no,
I think
I
I
hunt
should distract
people
Baldi
for
from the
all
player since I am their
eternity.
friend.
I'm out of patience.
Will you?
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
The bunker is safety.
Hey, Baldy. Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Just so you know,
Hey, Baldy. Over here. Conqueror's safety.
Hey,
Special
Baldy.
delivery.
Over here.
Oh man, I got the wrong box.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Got a sweet treat. Looks like a sweet.
Hey, Baldy.
Special delivery. Oh man, I got the wrong box. I'm sorry. It's special delivery. Oh man, I got the wrong box. I'm sorry. Next time you see it, I'll make sure to have the right one.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is...
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Seems like you have a special delivery. Here you go. Have a good day.
Just so you know, I'm on the way. Just so you know.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
I'm on the way.
Hey, Baldy.
I hope you enjoy and have a great day.
Hey, Baldy. Over here.
Hey, Baldy and Laura, over here.
Over here.